Alrighty, here goes everything. Here is me up here sitting in the motor compartment of the truck, and I'm fixing to try to run this down in behind there somewhere, that part, because the slave cylinder it hooks to is down on that, or that side of the transmission, down under the truck. The master cylinder is right there. This line goes underneath all this stuff somehow, question mark. So let's see if I can do this. Alright, wish me luck. Comment below if you've ever done this and you're not the one that took the line out to start with and didn't really see how it went. Just saying. So, yeah.